Guys, in today's tutorial I'll be looking at how to generate the weight of reinforcement bars from bending schedules, and the weight will be in kilograms and tonnages. We'll be using the Primestrux Excel sheet to do the generation. I'll let you to stay tuned to the end. It's going to be an interesting one. Right guys, so let's begin. So this is our bending schedule in AutoCAD. So we have the bar mark column, the type and size, the total number of bars. We have the length of each bar as well as the symbol. Okay, so in tutorial, we would not need the symbol part, so we'll delete the symbol column. So we'll delete everything there. Okay, we'll delete the symbol column. And then again, we can delete the title, right? So the bending schedule title would also delete it. So we'll be left with the bar mark, the type and size, the total number, as well as the length of each bar. So we'll be left with the bar mark, the type and size, the total number, and the length of each bar. Okay, so this is the format that we would be using. Okay, now so let's go ahead and open the Rebar or the Primestrux Rebar Excel spreadsheet. I've saved it on my desktop, so I'll open it. So there's it here. It's an Excel spreadsheet. So I'll click on it and open it. Okay, so there's it. So we have this column where we will be importing our AutoCAD bending schedule to, and this will be the final output where we'll have the weight of the rebars in kilogram and in tons. Okay, so let's go back to our AutoCAD now. Right, so to begin, we'll first of all need an extension, right? So that is the PTE table export. In order to import extension, we'll go to the load application button here. So you click on it once and you browse to the folder where you have the extension or the plugin. So that is it. So mine is on my desktop, so I'll head on to my desktop. Then so this is the folder. Okay, so there's the extension. I'll click on it once and then click on load. Yes, I want it always loaded, so I'll click on this button, always load, and then you check at the button here. So PTE table export is successfully loaded. Right, then you can now close this form. Right, so before we begin, you would have to explode the whole table. So you click you select the whole table, and then you come to your command line, you type X, and then you enter. So this table now is exploded. Right, now the next thing we are going to do is to come to the command line and then type TE and then enter. We'll now select our bending schedule. You make sure the whole table is selected, and then you click on enter. So you wait for some time, you would realize a new Excel sheet has been opened with the bending schedule populated within the text. So the next thing is to delete the blank columns. Right. This is very simple and it comes in handy for building estimators or quantity surveyors or anyone who wants to extract from a bending schedule the weight of the reinforcement in kilograms and tonnages. It's very simple. Right, so this is what we have now. When we look at our spreadsheet, so we have the bar mark column, the diameter column, the quantity column, and then the length column. So we'll go to the generated Excel sheet and make sure we copy the entire bending schedule, and we'll make sure the format is the same as what is in the P, or then we'll make sure it's the same as what is in the Excel spreadsheet. So you copy it from this side, the first cell, copy, and then you open the spreadsheet. You make sure you paste it within the same column. Paste it here. Okay. Okay. So make sure we were not supposed to copy the title, right? So copy from the first bar mark. So you copy from the side down. Make sure you copy everything. Then we copy, we bring it to the spreadsheet and paste it within it. Right, so now everything is okay. So we have the total weight of our reinforcement in kilogram and then in tons as well. Right, so that's very simple. And one good feature about this spreadsheet is you can always do changes once you've exported to the spreadsheet. So assuming you omitted a row or you want to change any diameter here, you can just come here and change the diameter to maybe 12 mm, and it will be updated automatically. So these are our standard bars. So we have 10 mm to 32 mm, and then we have mild steel and high tensile. So assuming I want to change one of the rebars to high tensile, so that will be T16, and the sheet will be updated. So we have a 16 mm with the total length, the weight in kilogram as well as the weight in tons. So you can either do it manually here, type in your values, or you can import the drawing from AutoCAD as we did previously. Thank you for watching.